Vaccination was shown to be the greatest public health achievement of the 20th century. Then you would imagine what it would be in other places that do not have such advances. So vaccination is arguably the greatest public health achievement of all times.
The existence of gates signifies the opportunities that are available for this country. When you have non-governmental organizations that can complement what government is doing and provide that space, for innovation and for contribution to health development, it is indeed a welcome development.
Because of the vision of GET, that Africans should take lead in solving their own problems, I can tell you that we Sierra Leoneans have been managing the COVID-19 without outside support.
50 million people died from the flu pandemic. And the only difference between that pandemic and now is that there was no vaccines.
I was talking with 3 ministers and I said, if we start today, within 10 years, nobody will go from Nigeria for medical tourism abroad. When India was beginning to go into generics, biogenerics, that was the time I came to Nigeria and I said, we can do this. Where the whole world was shouting at India, said, no, it's not good, it's not. But what did they do? They closed their ears and moved ahead. Now, today, India is the world's largest producer of generics.
During the Ebola crisis in 2014 here in Nigeria, my aunt, Dr. Ameo Stella Adadevo, was the doctor that diagnosed the Ebola patient and later died. And she and 3 of her colleagues in the hospital contracted the virus from the patient. And that spread of a virus within a health facility is what happens when you don't have infection prevention and control.
They are not here to judge. They are not here to stigmatize. They are not here to make money.
The vaccine rollout system was placed at the primary care level, and 88 out of the primary care facilities out of the 227 were deployed for COVID-19 vaccination.
There is a spike, 14 to 21 days in every single state.
Climate change has induced a lot of diseases and pests attack on both humans, the environment, and animals.
Innovation all the way from Mali.
African countries should not be left behind, considering that the world is at the stage where technology should be fully deployed to respond to hazards of infections.
We have more vaccination centers. We moved from 88 to about 150.
The only one of its kind, to my knowledge.
DJ, are you ready?
We're about to start the award ceremony.
The first recipient of the Special Recognition Award, Professor Oyewale Tomori. A round of applause.
When GET started, I think some of you will remember when GET started, very sure what we're going to get from GET. We were getting great things from GET.
Professor Akin Oshibogun. A round of applause for Professor Akin Oshibogun. Professor Sargeval. A round of applause for Professor Sargeval. To the Honorable Commissioner of Health, Lagos State, Professor Akin Abayomi, Dr. Fashino.
G-E-T, GET. Wow. Teach the next generation. Teach them what to do. Tell them how to do it and let them run with the vision. If that is the only thing we can do, then we've done something for the generation that is coming behind us. And for that singular reason, I'm sure that generation will not forget us. Thank you very much.